I was running a creativity workshop the other day, and one of the participants, she said, I don't even put my ideas out there. I don't even start things because I'm too worried about them being perfect. And the idea of perfection really stifles creativity. I know it did for me too. And that's why there is so much value in sucking. Doing something and allowing yourself to suck and trying new things and sucking, because there's no way we're ever going to do things well without sucking first. And I find this to be very liberating. And this is something that I've learned through doing a lot of improv theater, is there's no getting better without sucking. And it hurts and it's painful. So I'm doing this video for you. I have not rehearsed this. I'm not going to do another take. I'm just going to put this out in the world. Maybe it sucks, but I'm daring to do it. I had an acting teacher many years ago in acting class that said, we need to embrace the sucking. And I can't tell you how many bad scenes I've done in front of an audience, a class, and they sucked and it hurt. And I picked myself up off the ground. I learned things and did them better. So I'm encouraging you all, let go of the idea of being perfect. Put out your ideas in the world and unleash your creativity.